Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DeepSeek, a completely free AI assistant, to supercharge your coding. So the first things first, you need to head over to chat.deepseek.com. If you don't yet have an account, make sure you create one. If you do, make sure you log in. Now the most important skill while you're using an AI coding assistant is knowing how to write a good prompt. You can't just say write me a code. You need to be more specific. A great prompt should include the programming language, the task you want to do, and the context of it. So let's say I need a Python script that reads a text file and counts how many times each word appears. In order to generate this particular code, you can add in this prompt. As you can see, the prompt is precise and specific and is not general or vague. So once you enter in this prompt, within seconds, DeepSeek has generated a complete and well-functioning code. Now you can just copy in this code, head over to your code editor and just paste it in. This is just an example of how you can use DeepSeek for coding. Other use cases may be if you want to know the explanation of the code, if you're trying to debug your code, or maybe even generate SQL queries. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.